So, hi guys! Today I'm going to show you the gift I gave to my grandpa. This is it, guys. He's not here. He's no longer here, guys. But I still made a gift for him because I love him. And I just want to tell you the relationship of me and my grandpa before he died. His birthday was February 21, but he died like a long time ago when I was like 5, I think, or 3. And I just want to share with you a relationship so I can remember this as my future self. So my future self, I'm just wanting to tell you that I really miss him. So yeah, when I was like 3 or 5, he used to bring me to the, his like pet chickens. And then my mom be like, why would you do that? Why would you put the look at her, she's so messy, look. And then we would play together with my grandma. She's unfortunately now dead. She died when I was 7. Yeah, so when he was still here, we went to Baguio, which is a place in Philippines. So yeah, it was really cold there, and then we enjoyed there before he like died, guys. And yeah. If my relatives are watching this, I love y'all. And my mom is making a weird face behind the camera too. So yeah, her reaction is like, what are you doing? So yeah, I still made my grandpa a gift even though he died because I love him, guys. If you love your grandpa, comment it, guys. I'm not those people in YouTube who are like, if you love your parents, like and subscribe. My mom is still making a weird face behind the camera, guys. You can't see it, but I see it, guys. Okay, guys, do you want to open this now? It's like my gift to my grandpa. But I have more. I have more to give, but I will show this for now, guys. I will make more for him. So yeah. Okay, let's open it up, guys. Wow. Look, guys, it says happy birthday, and I put my favorite Sanrio characters, guys. I mean, it's a squishy. And guys, this is a balloon. Don't think it's like fish. Right there, guys. So I didn't color them because I don't have colors. Okay, guys. The poor quality in the back. Do you see this, guys? It's so bad. But the front is not bad. Cinnamonroll's originally white, so it's fine for Cinnamonroll to have no color. This is him. So yeah, happy birthday, Grandpa. If you're seeing this in heaven, and hopefully you're in heaven, by the way. So yeah, here's my birthday gift for him. And happy birthday, my grandpa, and also the people who have their birthday right now. So yeah, bye guys. Happy birthday to the people who are I don't know. So bye.